And more local news, Baptist Health Fort Smith now has a rooftop garden to help feed patients struggling with hunger. It's the first rooftop garden to produce vegetables and fruit in the state. This was made possible by the help of donors and one graduate assistant who had a vision. Fox 24's Brianna Moore has the story.
So the hospital is the one point in the community that everyone can get access to and everyone can get a ride to.
That is Hannah Schultz, a current grad student at the University of Baylor and graduate assistant at Baptist Health Fort Smith, and the mastermind behind the project.
So I selected to do this project because food insecurity in the River Valley is pretty high. The national average is 12%, and we're looking at about 17%, which is 40% higher. So I was looking at a way to incorporate fresh fruits and vegetables into the diets of our food insecure individuals with ease of access.
Food will be available to all admitted patients who qualify after being screened by nurses. Upon discharge, patients will be given a 3-day supply of food.
So we'll be hooking them up with not only fresh fruits and vegetables, but shelf-stable and calorie-dense foods to help promote that nutrition for a 3-day period of time.
Schultz says this would not have been possible without local donors. One of those was the Farmers Cooperative in Van Buren, a supply cooperative.
We supply farm supplies, feed, seed, chemical, fertilizer to all the area producers and cattle producers and row crop producers in the area.
The Farmers Cooperative donated numerous tools to the farm like potting soil, protein tubs to hold plants, and more to make sure the hospital had what they needed to get the farm off the ground.
You know, food insecurity is not a third world problem. It's a problem in our area, a very big problem that a lot of people don't know about, and I think anything that we can do to spotlight that and bring awareness to food insecurity is a good thing.
That was our Brianna Moore reporting. The garden is capable of holding 27 different crops. It's one of 25 of its kind in the whole nation. A local veteran services office is looking to